Hi everyone, this is Gayle. I'm back again with another monthly recipe box from Simply Earth, and it is awesome. I've been told, as you can see, it's still sealed. I haven't got it open yet, but I just wanted to open my box with everybody else so that you could see what's in here. I've really enjoyed what I've made so far with Simply Earth. I've made lotions. I've made a lotion bar, which is solid, but yet you rub it over your skin, and it's like rubbing a lotion over your skin. I've made the sugar scrub, which I did on a video. I've made, oh goodness, I'm trying to think of what else I've made. I made the little heart-shaped soap, the little pink swirl heart-shaped soap. And there's just so many things to make, and I understand that this month's box is on facial care, and I can't wait for that. So let me adjust my camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, here's my box. I just pulled this up, and I guess it opens. Maybe I have it upside down. I think I do. Opens this way. It says glass inside. I hope that's the oils. There we go. Let's see what's in here this time. Okay, you always get 4 oils. This is tea tree oil, which I use all the time. This is called Beauty Within, and it is frankincense, lavender, rosemary, and myrrh. Of course, you know I have to smell it. That smells good. I can't wait to use that. And then we have lemon eucalyptus. That ought to be good. And coriander. I can see that before I even take it out. Coriander. Now you might notice that some of these bottles, like the difference in this bottle and this bottle, you can see that there's a difference in size between the tea tree and the coriander. And the reason for that is, in order to make this affordable for everybody, coriander is a more expensive oil. So if they put it in a bottle like this, they would have to charge a whole lot more for the box. So instead, they put it in a smaller bottle. This is 5 milliliters, and these are 15. So that's just the reason why one of the bottles might be smaller. And let's see what else we've got. Face wash powder, witch hazel, rose kaolin clay. That ought to be interesting. And here's their recipes, and of course you always get labels for everything that you would make. We have an exfoliating face wash, and a gentle face cleanser, I guess for anybody that's got sensitive skin. A Beautify roll-on, a Beauty Within toner, which is probably what the witch hazel is for. A pore clarifying face mask. Oh, that's when you use the clay is in the face mask. And Spring Rain diffuser blend. That smells good. And of course, this is my telling me I've earned a badge because I'm doing the face care. And there's a where is it? A QR code here that you can scan to get your free face care essential oil guide. And let's see, the face wash powder is brand new. So that's good to know. And we're getting a recipe book on March 16th. Okay. So let me turn the camera back. Okay, so what I'd like you to do in the comments below this video, give me, out of these different, let me spread them out so I can see all of the names. Out of the Spring Rain Diffuser Blend, a Pore Clarifying Face Mask, a Beauty Within Toner, a Beautify Roll-On, a Gentle Face Cleanser, and an Exfoliating Face Wash. If you would tell me, I'll list them below in the notes, but if you would let me know which one of these you would like to see me demonstrate, I would appreciate that, because sometimes you don't really understand something until you see it. And let me put my things back in my box. But I would love to be able to demonstrate these for you. I do have a new email. It's mimismarketva@gmail.com if you would rather email me. And if you're interested in any of these products, every time you sign on to the website, you'll get an option. It's like a little wheel that spins, and you get a percentage off of your order. So you always get some kind of a discount. But if you decide to do a subscription to these monthly boxes like I have, I've also got a link below that is my personal link, because it's up to me whether to offer coupons or not. So I am offering a coupon code for your first subscription box for free $45 e-gift card to use at Simply Earth. And that makes it amazing. Plus, you get a discount on your first box. Your first box is only $29.99. Shipping is free. And then you also get the big bonus box, which I showed you in a previous video, that has bottles and roll-ons and some extra, I think it's beeswax in there, and just extra things that you would need for some of the recipes. And you get that every 6 months that you're a subscriber, so that you never run out of supplies. You've always got supplies. Each box usually has one diffuser blend and one roll-on blend, and then the other 3 are for whatever that theme is this week. Like in this case, it's toners and body facial wash. So if you are interested, I'll put all the links below. I would love it if you join me on this journey. It would be so much fun to have other people doing this along with me. So have a great day. Enjoy. I don't know where you are, but here we've got a beautiful day. It's a little windy, but it is pretty. And I will see you again next month with another box reveal. Thanks. Bye-bye.